Igama lami uMbekezeli Mwambokazi, ngijabulile ukuba ukujoyina le club. Ngiyathemba ukuthi konke kuzohamba kahle. Chicago Fire igama le-team. Thank you, vamos.
Few days back uMbokazi belapha neMelika yosayina i-contract yakhe bafethu ne-Chicago Fire le yakhe eqeda ukumsayina bafethu em-announce namhlanje, but izinto bazenze a few days back, just they were waiting for isikhathi esi-perfect ukuthi ba-announce le deal. They decided to announce it today. uMbokazi kushayela uMageba le phesheya kwey'lwandle bafethu. I think kuzothatha isikhathi ukuthi a-adapt uMbokazi ukuthi maybe understand mhlawumbe isingisi ukuthi asazi fluently, whatever that word may be, ngoba nathi asisazi isingisi. But I think into ebalulekile ukudlala ibhola, but-ke kumele akwazi uku-catch up fast, akwazi uku-understand. But what I love is that obviously ukhuluma ilanguage yakhe, usho ukuthi uzodinga i-translate uMbokazi lapho, uzohamba nobani ngempela, because for time being kumele abe ne-translator, umuntu ozokwazi uku-translate from isiZulu to isingisi esikhathini esiningi, and then bam-fast track kule nto le ukuthi afunde isingisi. Kusho ukuthi nje kufana nokuthi ubuyela ku-grade 1 athole umuntu ozoba nesineke naye, but-ke banawo othisha, but ikhanda maliqinile bafethu liqinile, and it takes isikhathi-ke masumdala ukuthi u-understande like izinto ey'ncane, especially English. But siyamthemba uMbekezeli Mbokazi, multi-million contract, obviously-ke they won't mind ukukhipha abo hundreds of thousands of rands bamtholele othisha bazomfundisa nje isingisi kuphela. Yeah, what a beautiful thing to see bafethu ukubona uMbokazi esayina laphana phesheya, ashayela uMageba umfana wasehluhluwe. Hayi boss uMbokazi, shaya isiZulu madoda. Yeah, but-ke it shows us a different side ukuthi you can make it anyway just nge-language yakho kuphela. Abanye abantu abazi i-English bazokusiza la bakusiza khona, wena umsebenzi wakho ukudlala ibhola kuphela, but-ke kumele a-catch up because of kumele akwazi uku-communicate nama-teammates wakhe, because ngeke bakwazi ukudlala-ke without i-communication, because communication is very important. Ngeke badlale ngama-sign language phela, kukhombani ukuthi hey, njengoba mangithi wena ungapha, yabo. But ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyawa-understand ama-basic izinto zesingisi lezi ezi-basic, then ilapho because nangu Hugo Bros uyakwazi ukumcoach, or noma uMbokazi lama-player lawa angacoach, uvele nje umbeke laphana emuva, uyazi ukuthi enzeni yena, because akhona lawo ma-players lawo. But asibambeni la. Congratulations again to uMbokazi, 51 million rands or 50 something million rands deal bafethu. Yo, ziyakhala.